Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best tips and tricks for using WhatsApp on your PC. In today's video, we'll show you how to change the group name in WhatsApp on your PC. So let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your PC. Ensure that you have the latest version installed for the best experience. Step 2. Now, go to the group you have created where you are the admin. This is important as only admins have the authority to change the group name. Step 3. Click on the group name to access the group settings. Step 4. In the Overview tab, you'll find the current group name displayed. Next to it, you'll see a pen icon. Click on it to proceed with changing the group name. Step 5. A text box will appear where you can type in the new name for the group. Take your time to think of a catchy and meaningful name that represents the purpose or theme of the group. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the group name in WhatsApp on your PC. It's as simple as that. Changing the group name can help keep your group organized and make it easier for members to identify the purpose of the group. So, don't hesitate to update the name whenever needed. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy chatting on WhatsApp.